Bird's eye view. We were designed to be born and to die alone, but we were not designed to live alone. The early bird catches the early worm. The late bird catches the late worm. Both are on time. I used to see other birds here. Now I see only flightless tourists. Other than the dog Hachiko, somebody else may be waiting for its master at the station. A life unshared is half lived. From the animal kingdom, we can learn more about peaceful coexistence than survival of the fiercest. Birds of like feathers feed together. Birds leave their chicks behind to hunt. The chicks think their parents will always return with food. All life depends on trusting others. Patience is a virtue. The impatient becomes food. Unlike human love, the love of lovebirds is all weather, all terrain. The fleeting cherry blossoms don't care about the indifferent passing ducks. Yet together they create a magnificent display of nature. We can fly higher than birds because our imagination has larger wings. Those trapped by their careers are like caged birds. They forget how to fly and to be free.